Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to quickly level up in Goblins Wood. So first, let's understand the core idea. Now, in Goblins Wood, prices scale really fast. You might buy a goblin for 1 billion and the next one suddenly costs way more. Because of that, the fastest way to level up is progressing through obstacles efficiently and not just rushing forward blindly. Your main goal early on is to destroy obstacles and banes as soon as possible. And these obstacles doesn't actually just block progress. They also reward you with money and resources when destroyed. And that money can be used to upgrade machines or buy stronger goblins. Now, here's the important part. If your goblins are lower level than the vein, progress will be painfully slow. For example, level 6 goblin attacking a level 7 vein will take a long time, and that's why upgrading your goblins is usually the smarter move, even if it feels slower at first. A higher level goblin clears obstacle much faster in the long run. Now, you should also focus on upgrading your machines, but do it wisely. Always compare upgrades. Some cost more but give much better profits boost than cheaper ones. And you want to prioritize upgrades that give the biggest increase for your money. Next, don't ignore magic runes. These ones. Now, these are extremely important, especially the runes that make machines automatic. Automation means you don't have to tap constantly, and many of these runes also multiply your profits. You'll need magic dust for this, which you can get from chests, labs, and cutting down trees. And speaking of chests, always open them when you can. Iron and wooden chests can reward you with useful runes and resources. You can also watch ads for free chests if you don't want to spend currency. Another big boost is time skips. These are free rewards you can earn and use to instantly upgrade. Just make sure your goblins are actually working on a vein before using a time skip. Otherwise, it won't affect that progress. And finally, the biggest tip of all, play actively. Goblins Wood heavily rewards active play. Going AFK slows everything down, while staying active lets you manage upgrades, goblins, and boosts more efficiently. And that's about it. Those are the best ways to level up fast in Goblins Wood. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!